Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and are you looking for a really good detailed planner? Then this one is for you. Well, this absolutely beautiful rose gold planner is from Clever Fox. So not too long ago, I really felt like my life was falling apart. I was missing meetings and appointment, and I was so unorganized and overall unmotivated. So I set out to get more organized and really to see what things needed to be done and not procrastinate and get overwhelmed when things piled up. So I love that I found this planner. I love how it's undated. So it starts the week, month, or day you are ready to start, and it lasts for 1 year. I love how this planner is structured. It not only lets you set goals, but it also breaks them down and you write them out in different ways. And that's really how my brain works. And I love how the stickers that they have keep you motivated and reward. And this planner really has helped me to get back on track. So this planner really has helped me to increase my productivity. It helped me with my time management, and it really has helped me to hit my goals. And it's something about putting pen to paper that really works for me, and I hope it will for you too. And that's my point of view.